It was my freshman year of college, and a picture frame had fallen onto my brand spanking new iBook 12-inch Mac computer. And I was a broke college student just like everybody else, and I took it to the Genius Bar and they said, that'll be half the price of the machine to repair it and replace the trackpad. And so I took my machine, politely thanked them, and went back home, did some research, found ifixit, and ordered the part and was able to swap out the piece completely on my own. After doing that first replacement, I realized something about myself that I hadn't known before, that I could honestly do anything. I would like to encourage everybody out there who has any interest in DIY fixing to attempt it this year. 2019, this is the year. Anybody can do it. You just have to believe that you can do it. And once you do your first fix, I promise you, you'll feel like you have a cape blowing in the wind, like a superhero. You can do it, and you don't need an Apple genius to do it for you, because we're ultimately all geniuses.